What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some LASFIT LED light bulbs. I have one box here for my low beams and I have another box here for my high beams. This is their LC6 series of LED light bulbs they have. It uses their own flip cob chip. The great thing about these is they come with their own driver ballast built in, so you don't have to buy a secondary one and have an extra module hanging around in there. They say that the color is about a 6,000 temperature, which is a nice, like almost perfect white. The lumens they say is about 3,800 per bulb, which gives you a 7,600 lumen output for the set. Comes with a 1-year warranty and it comes with both inside the box here. So let's take a look at how these things come packaged. All right, inside the box we have your typical product manual here. Who reads those anyway? We got your warranty card here. And here's the actual bulbs and how they come packaged. And some nice dense foam here so they're not moving around. Here's the actual bulb. So there's their LED chip, one on each side. Aluminum body down here. Some heat fins. Try and dissipate some of that heat. There is a fan on the inside there. Comes with a real nice braided cable here. And then your connector. Real thick gasket, water sealing. So these are my low beams, these ones here. These ones are the H11 bulb. And then here is the ones for my high beams. Same thing, product manual, yeah. Same packaging. These ones are slightly different. Still have that nice braided cable, connector. Same cob chip that comes in the LC6 series. And down here is a little bit different, just because that's the difference in the two bulbs and how they lock into your headlight housings. Let's go get these installed. All right, guys, before I even start with putting these light bulbs in, I just want to say LASFIT, at least their customer service base is wonderful. When I was doing my depot headlight assembly install, I wanted to see how well these lights would fit. Long story short, this is what happened. Yeah, so I broke the light. I broke the little tab. I actually still have the broken one. Let's see here. Come on. And focus, maybe? Well, okay. Doesn't want to focus. So I broke the locking tab. As you can see, there should be 3 around here as I was trying to install it. This gasket is thick. It is nice. Maybe just a little too thick. That's just my opinion. But nonetheless, I thought, damn, now what? Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna buy new LED bulbs. Granted, it was my mistake. I emailed them, I contacted them and said, look, this is what happened. I was the one who broke the light. It wasn't your fault. I was just wondering if that is something that's warrantyable and if you could send me just the H11s back. They responded fast. They didn't even ask for pictures of what happened. They said, don't worry about sending the old ones back. Just keep the extra one that's not broken as a spare and we'll send you a new one out. Now, I haven't even used this product yet, but already I would suggest and recommend using this product and this company. They are willing to take care of you as far as I'm concerned, and in my situation, they did. So let's get to the install now. All right, first things first, guys, let's see how the factory bulbs look. Low beams, high beams. All right, first things first, guys, is I'm gonna start here on the passenger side. I'm gonna do both the low beam and the high beam on this side and this side only so that I can jump back in the car and give you a visual of how the lights look compared to one another. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do, I got my low beam here. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my low beam light out. Just gonna disconnect this connector. Turn, pull out. It's that easy to take the old one out. Now, LASFIT also said maybe to reuse this gasket on my new lights in case the other one was too thick. So actually, let's do that first and see how it fits. And if it's a little too loose, I'm just gonna pray I don't break the new ones that they sent me. So I'm going to take this guy off now. It's just a quick little comparison. You can see how much thicker the LASFIT one is than the one that come on the factory halogen bulbs. So I'm going to take the factory one, if I don't lose it. Go ahead and put this on now. So now that's on there. To install, we're just going to put it in the other way. And if you notice, there are different size tabs on there. This top one here is bigger, so we're going to try and find out where that fits. Yeah, the factory one's a little too loose. So I'm gonna have to try and put that other LASFIT gasket back on. So I'm gonna switch it back to the one they send with it. All right. Fingers crossed I don't break this one. All right. Sits kind of in a weird orientation with the cable up, but that's how it fits, so. Go ahead and plug that in. Might find a way to keep that from moving around so much. Now, go ahead and put the high beams in. So we're just going to repeat the same process. So there's the difference, at least in the daytime. Stock halogen on this side. LASFIT LED on this side. See how the brights ain't coming on? All right, so the brights weren't coming on, but because they're LEDs, the plugs they have a positive and a negative. So what LASFIT suggests you do if the brights don't come on, or any of their lights don't come on after installing, is to try and flip the connector around first. So you just unplug it, turn it the other way, and plug it in. Regulars, brights. All right, here we are over here on the driver's side of the vehicle, and we're going to install the driver's side high beam and low beam. The same process. Got my low beam here. I'm already starting to see an issue here. This space. Yeah. All right, what we need to do, I'm gonna loosen up the battery tie down here and see if I can scoot this back just a little bit so I can fit that bulb in there a little easier. All right. See if we put this back to where it was. Yes, it fits. Go ahead and plug that in. Let's get this high beam out. High beam's gone. So we got the regular lights and both high beams. We got the regular lights, we got the high beams now. Hope you guys enjoyed that video on the LASFIT LED bulbs. It's that easy to change them out. Your car deserves better than halogens. Thanks for watching, guys.